Off work, public holidays. Every country celebrates public holidays on different dates and seasons. Let's learn more about two famous spring public holidays. May Day in the UK is a spring celebration that takes place on the first Monday of May. People have the day off work and schools are shut. They have a parade which is led by the May Queen, a young girl with a crown of spring flowers. There is also the Green Man, dressed in a costume of leaves to represent the spirit of spring. The procession has groups of Morris dancers. These are men with flowery hats and bells around their knees, shaking handkerchiefs and banging sticks as they dance. At the festival field there is a maypole with ribbons tied to the top of it. They dance around it and make beautiful patterns. In Kazakhstan, Women's Day is an official public holiday on the 8th of March. Kazakhs celebrate it at home with a special meal. People give flowers, cards, chocolates and other gifts to their mothers, wives, grandmothers, sisters or daughters. In some parts of Kazakhstan, men do all the household chores so that women can rest. Popular entertainers give concerts and performances in honor of women.